Well, hi there. Let's jump straight into an improv today and see what we can create with 4 chords. And let's check these out. Well, let's jump into creating some material around these 4 chords of A flat, C minor, F minor, and D flat today. So let's block those through just in root position to begin with. So there's our A flat chord on an A flat note, up to C minor chord on a C bass, and then F minor, so F bass here, and F, A flat, C, to create the F minor there, to D flat, F and A flat on the top there. Okay, let's just do some pulsing for 4 counts there. 1, 2, 3, 4, C minor, 2, 3, 4, F minor, 2, 3, 4, and D flat. Now to create a little bit of movement to carry our progression through, let's do some quavers or some TTs down in our bass. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and C minor down the bottom. Let's go to the inversion here of G, C, and E flat, just so it sits nicely under our hand. A flat, C, and E flat to our G, C, and E flat. Next go to this F, but we'll go to the A flat here with our thumb. So A flat, C, and F there, and then D flat. Let's also flip that one round. D flat, A flat, D flat, and F for our D flat chord. Okay, back to the start again, and let's get this pulsing to give a nice flow there in our left hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, out to the F minor, 2, 3, 4, and D flat. Let's slow it down again. So A flat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step your thumb down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now hand down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and out to the D flat. So D flat at the top, D flat at the bottom. Could be an option there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's keep these quavers moving down the bass, but let's add some inversions moving up in the top. By lifting our pitch, it can kind of lift the intensity of the playing as well. So 1, 2, and hold there. 1, 2, and hold there. F minor, D flat. All again, let's work those out again. So we're going from A flat with our thumb to our C, our little inversion, first inversion there. Hold there, now to the C, and up to C at the top, C, G, E flat. So C, F minor over, D flat, and we could even come down to finish there. All again. All of those options are there with the inversions. It kind of makes it interesting that we can get a little bit of melody without having to think too hard about the notes, because we're just sticking to all of the chord notes there as we go higher or lower. Now let's break that right hand and play some octave bass notes in the left with our A flat down here. So A flat there. If your hand is too small, we can just use a middle finger and play the 4 beats there, or if you can float open with your hand. And then as we lift, we might also release it. We don't want to hold it out and kind of be keeping a tension there in our hand or our wrist. And let's break the right hand over these octaves. So we'll hold our octave and let's play the top note together. 1 and 2. Now to the C minor. 2. Now to the F. D flat. Once again, all under our hand. And another idea could be that we break up that octave too if we wanted to. So on any of the beats. it could jump in. Again. Yeah, so that's fun. We could also do one of my favorite things, and that is to change the rhythm. Instead of going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we could do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we've still got the 8 little counts, but we're kind of putting 3, 3 and 2 together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And our ear is drawn to where the beat is as well. Not just because we might be leading a little bit more and a little bit louder, but also because we're going from the top note down 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'll do the little counts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So you can hear on each of the ones, you can hear that top note up there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And for a final version we could also do with this progression today is to play more of a clocks or Coldplay version with our chords underneath. So if we have a full chord there, we could say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So the A flat, C's and E flats, all that I'm doing is going from the bottom up and the top down. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There in contrary motion. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now over those notes, but from our pinkies. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. F minor. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we've got F's together. In again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We could go there. I like that one. Again. And we could also float everything up the top because it always sounds amazing when things go up the octave. It's beautiful. Here we go. Well, thanks for joining me today. I'll link to some more improv videos and catch you in the next one. Thanks so much.